So hello fellow coin collectors, this is Glenn back with another video. And today we're just going to be reviewing the 1977 Australian commemorative coin set. So as you can see, it is in a purple folder. Now generally they're in red folders, but on commemorative years they actually change the colour of the folder so it's easier to identify. And they also put what it commemorates. So Silver Jubilee commemorative uncirculated coin set, and this set was issued in 1977, and it's pretty much contains all the coins that were issued for circulation in that year. So here's the front of it. We turn it over, we have the reverse, and it has nothing, which makes it a bit boring actually. So to me these sets are actually a bit boring, and yeah, while the coins are good, yeah, whatever information is there, there's no photos, no nothing. That's why I like to collect sets, because they have nice photos on them. But anyway, I just started to get these because at the moment they're a bit cheaper than they actually used to be. So here we have information about the coins. So these ones contain 1 cent to 50-cent coins, which are in circulation in 1977. As the $1 coin was only issued in 1984, and the $2 coin was only issued in 1988. So here we have the coins. So these are all fairly common coins, probably except for the 10 cent. So the 1 cent had 153 million. The 2 cent had 100 million. That's both the Perth and the Canberra Mint. They both issued 2 cent coins, but it's not really easy. You can't identify which mint the actual 2 cent coin come from. The 5 cent coin had 108,800,000. Now the 10 cent coin is the lowest. This one only had 10,094,000. It's actually the second lowest, probably the fifth lowest. I'm trying to count. So you got the 91, which is lower, the 85, which is lower, the 97, which is lower, and the 2016 commemorative, which is lower. So this is the 5th lowest coin, and actually has an uncirculated value of about $5. So this coin here itself is about $5, which it says is the same as 1975, which had 50 million, but I would say that its value was actually higher than in 1975, 76, and any year afterwards up until 85, which actually has a higher uncirculated coin value. So then we have the 20 cent. So the 20 cent had 41.27 million coins minted. So that's a really high mint coin. And what was the mintage for the commemorative 50 cent coin? That had 25 million coins. So that is really not a rare coin to actually find in circulation. And quite frankly, you can find these in pretty high grades in your change, even though they don't actually turn up too often now. A lot of them are probably being recycled by the mint. As our population grows, the world population grows, there would naturally be more collectors, so more of these coins would actually be going into collections, and less of them in circulation. So this was the first year in which the coin sets actually went over 100,000 made. So 1977 there were 128,010 of these sets issued. So in the previous year there was only like 40,000. So it's like at least triple the number of sets. And afterwards they actually nearly halved them in 1978 to about 70,000. So when they were issued they only costed $2. So obviously we didn't have a coin back then, we had a banknote, so that's how much they costed back then. But you have to remember is that $2 at that time is probably equivalent to probably $20 now. So really, with inflation, okay, so using the inflation calculator, $2 in 1977 is worth $11.16 now. So these sets would have cost $11.16, and if they actually still minted them, I reckon that they would probably actually still charge the $25 that they do now. So what is the value of these coins that you can buy? Well, pretty much now on eBay you can buy these for roughly about $15. So really it's only about $3.84 higher than what you would have actually bought in 1977. So while it is higher, yeah, they're actually not really good as an investment in the short term. Maybe 2, 3, 500 years time, these will actually command quite a lot of money. But now they would not. And it actually has a book value of $30. So really, the retail value is only half of what the book value. So if you ever get a Renix book or another coin grading book, those doesn't matter what country it is, the values in there are actually usually higher for the year than they are actually on the internet or what you can buy them from. Although some coin shops actually are very expensive and are pretty much for me not worth buying from. So here we have the backside, the obverse. So, and we have Queen Elizabeth's effigy, as you can see there. This is the second effigy issued by Australia, Arnold Mackin effigy, but the third effigy ever by the Queen Elizabeth II, because places like Belize and Hong Kong use a different first effigy, which is probably the second effigy, and Australia actually used a different type of reverse. So, obverse, I'm not sure what I say. God. And here we have the actual specifications of the coin. So, as you can see, grams is spelled G-R-A-M-M-E-S. Some people spell it G-R-A-M-S, which is the American spelling. And yeah, so that's about it for this commemorative coin. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you do collect them, because at under 1 hour's pay, really it's just a no-brainer if you could actually collect uncirculated coins. Let's actually buy them now. Then 10 years before, which they were a higher price. So thank you very much for watching my video. Have an awesome coin collecting time, people. Bye bye.